Hello crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and I create small batch graphics so that you can keep your designs unique and those annoying copycats away. In this short little mini tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change or recolor any of your clip art. This is super simple, so this is even beginner friendly. So just make sure that your clip art is selected. You see it here in the layers panel, and then you go up to image, adjustment, hue saturation, and there is a short command for this also. It's Control U, and then this fantastic little window pops up, and then you can just slide these sliders. You see fantastic things is happening. I love this color very much. And you can amp up the saturation or bring it down, make it more dull or more vibrant. This is how simple it is to recolor any of your clip art that you have in your clip art collections. So grab your favorites and start recoloring. Remember to join my newsletter so you never miss any of my upcoming collections, or grab some secret discounts that I don't tell the public about, and be sure to join the Facebook group as well, the Wallifyer Cafe. And if you have a friend that loves creating beautiful stuff with clip art as well, be sure to invite them. This is a growing group with lots of creatives, so feel welcome to invite your friends as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.